thanks very much for staying with us. Let's bring you this political scoop that we are tracking from the state of Rajasthan, where a cabinet reshuffle is likely amid the ongoing power tussle between Sachin Pilot and Ashok Gehlot. There has been a meeting that has been ongoing with KC Venugopal, Ajay Makhan also being present, and a meeting that has also been said that Sachin Pilot was also a part of it, where a faction of his supporters are now demanding that Sachin Pilot be elevated to a higher level that could also be the Chief Minister's post.
Everything is progressing. It will be very soon.
ये सब चीजों की चर्चा हम लोगों से कर रहे हैं। मैं सिर्फ एक बात कहना चाहता हूं कि सब लोगों ने एक स्वर में ये कहा है कि जो केंद्र आला कमान जो तय करेगा वो हमें मंजूर है। सब लोगों ने एक स्वर में कहा और हम लोग बहुत जल्द इन सब चीजों के ऊपर हम लोग फाइनल फैसला करेंगे, क्योंकि कहीं पर भी कोई अब हम लोगों को कोई किसी भी प्रकार से विरोधाभास नजर नहीं आता। सब लोग एक स्वर से और एक मत हैं इसके अंदर, और बहुत जल्द हम लोग आपको इसके बीच में इसके बारे में हम बताएंगे।
Sumi is tracking all the updates, quickly going across to her now. Sumi, the details, please, of the meetings that KC Venugopal, Ajay Makhan came out to say that all is well within the Congress and they'll debate and discuss and will be seen what the party high command really decides who will get what.
Yes, absolutely. The meeting that was convened today by KC Venugopal, who is the All India Congress Committee's General Secretary, and also Ajay Makhan, who is All India Congress Committee's General Secretary and also the in charge of a further state of Rajasthan. And in fact, a 3-member committee was also formed by the High Command of Congress to look into the entire tussle that has been going on since last year. Remember, Sachin Pilot was sacked as the Deputy Chief Minister of Rajasthan, and which is why his camp of 18 MLAs have rebelled against the Ashok Gehlot leadership. And in fact, the delay in the cabinet expansion and the delay in giving the bait of leadership to Sachin Pilot has also led to various verbal volleys between the MLA camps of both the respective leaders. But now this meeting certainly took place, and it was highly anticipated, and it is very significant in resolving the tussle that has been going on. It has also led to a lot of embarrassment to the Congress party in the state of Rajasthan. And now that the meeting is over, yesterday, KC Venugopal and Ajay Makhan, who had left for Rajasthan and visited Ashok Gehlot, the Chief Minister of Rajasthan, and also had a long meeting, in fact, 2.5-hour long meeting in the wee hours of yesterday night, also discussed the political appointments that are likely to take place and also the cabinet rejig that will happen mostly on the July 27th or the 28th, because all the MLAs have been asked to stay in the capital of the state on the 28th of July. That's what we're getting to know from the sources who are privy to the development, and which is why it is very, very important that the cabinet reshuffle is going to happen, and it will certainly address all of the woes of the MLAs of the camp of Sachin Pilot. And will Sachin Pilot be given the leadership of Rajasthan? That will be very interesting, and in fact that will be witnessed in the days to come. However, they are not
around last year was when the rebellion led by Sachin Pilot was ongoing in the state of Rajasthan, and earlier he had mentioned that what his issues have been. He said that it has been addressed by the party high command. It remains to be seen what really happens in the coming days in Rajasthan Congress. Sumi, for the moment, thank you very much.